Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to permanently delete your Twitter account. So let's get started. First thing, just come into the home interface of your Twitter app, and to the leftmost top you are having the profile icon. Click it, and here if you just scroll down we'll be having this settings and support. Select this and we are having the settings and privacy. Click it, and here we are having your account. Click that, and in the bottom we are having deactivate account. Select this, and here we won't be having any direct option saying delete your account. So the only thing is, after we select deactivate, as you can see here under what else you should do now, if you don't log in into our account and reactivate it within 30 days of deactivation, it will be getting permanently deleted. So that's the only way how to delete this. So now just click on deactivate. It will ask to enter your password, and if you just leave your account for 30 days, after that it will be getting automatically deleted. So just click on deactivate and enter your password, and just click on deactivate. Click on yes, and that's it. Just leave it for 30 days, it will get deleted. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.